Oh my god, welcome back to another video. Welcome to another rainy, gloomy, nasty day here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. But it's winter, so what do you expect? Pretty cool day. We have a couple meetings we have to go hit really quick. And then a few other things we got to do. We got to go pick up Brett. Let's go. Go. Yeah, sick day, huh?
Great day.
Okay. We were. Dude, I just realized that I have a
Powerstroke.
I have a Generation 1 Keurig at home. Like,
Gen 1.
Gen 1, dude. Like the first one ever made. I didn't even realize it. I just, make some coffee every day and just kind of go about it.
I just go old school beans.
Dude, I got my Seven Springs coffee cup.
Champion PA.
Anyone watching our videos that lives in the Pittsburgh area or even like southwestern Pennsylvania, you guys know what Seven Springs is. Oh, I'm hitting the strips. But dude, I legitimately have a Generation 1 Keurig, and I was putting the thing in there today to make my cup of coffee, and
It didn't work.
it worked. But I'm looking at the thing and I'm like, man, this thing looks like junk. But it works. It works every day. All right, so a couple meetings today. We're kind of in the beginning stages of really scaling our brand as in modern diesel. So we have a couple things that we got to iron out today. So the first place we got to go is SPE, Snyder Performance Engineering. If you follow the channel, we do a lot with them, and I sell their products on our website. So we got to go down there and talk about a couple new product ideas for the website, try to get that ironed out. But guys, keep in mind, if you want to do stuff to your Powerstroke, the link will be in the description. The Stage 1 kit, which I have on my truck here, that link is in the description. You guys can get that for your Powerstroke. They run absolutely amazing. So right now, we are solely Powerstroke performance parts on the website. But, I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think out there? Do you want to see some Duramax and some Cummins parts on the website? We're kind of up in the air if we want to add to that and have a full scale, like all 3 brand diesel website. Why we're primarily focused on Powerstrokes is because I have a Powerstroke, and I'd like to test the products and show them on the videos for you guys to make sure that, just to give you guys an inside look on the parts, the performance that they put out, and just the actual real life use of the parts and the tunes and everything. So if we plan to add Cummins and Duramax to the website, obviously we're gonna have to go get some Cummins and Duramax for the channel, so we can put some parts on there and show you guys exactly what we sell, what we offer. It's 2:30 in the day, so yes, we are getting a little late start to the day. I had a couple of things I had to do in the morning, but it's legitimately dark. It's dark outside. It's super gloomy. It's winter. It's cold and rainy. I really think that we should move our HQ to somewhere warmer, like it's somewhat warm all year round. But that would be a big process.
I concur. I think, dude, Austin would be so sick. It's nice there. Actually, it's cold there right now. But
Is it humid there?
Nope.
It's not
dry.
humid. It's dry heat.
It's nice. It'd be 100 and it's hot, but
It's like Houston and that, like down towards the coast more. Is that humid?
I don't know. I've never really been down there.
They took it. Alright guys, we had to make a quick pit stop for food. Literally, I've never had this happen. My order was done and someone else took it. My order is $5.86 and he just grabbed it and walked out. but they're making me a new one. Got it. All right, we probably shouldn't have stopped there because we're super late for our next meeting thing that we have, but could eat. All right, guys, technical difficulty. We are time warping to the following day. The audio got messed up on that clip. I don't know why. But basically what I was saying was our first meeting at SPE went really, really good. We were talking about some new products for the website. I didn't want to film that because it was more of like a meeting type kind of situation. It wasn't, you know, fun time. So right now, currently in that video, we are on our way to our second meeting of the day. I'm not going to show you guys that either. It is, well, I'll give you a hint. It is possibly for a new vehicle for the channel, a big vehicle. So stay tuned for an update on that. Once I get some more details worked up, I will definitely 100% inform you guys on what exactly that is. So yeah, first meeting SP went really good. We are on our way currently to the second meeting, and I just wanted to say, guys, for our website, mdm-performance.com, link in the description below, we hand select our product. We don't just get any product that we can make the most money on and sell it to you guys. We literally hand select every single piece of part or any product, tune, whatever it is. We test it, we research it, we develop it, or we help develop it. We've helped develop a couple parts on there. Here on my truck here, this 2017 F250 6.7 Powerstroke. So that is why we have mainly Powerstroke parts on the website, because we can test them and install them and use them on my truck. So if we add Cummins and Duramax parts to the website, we're going to have to get a Cummins or a Duramax for the channel, or have access to a friend's truck or something like that to test the parts on to make sure that they're worthy of selling to you guys or offering to you guys. If anyone watching these videos is in the Pittsburgh area and you have a Cummins or a Duramax, reach out to us on Instagram, just shoot us a DM. We're trying to get some more versatile stuff on the channel, especially for the website, to do some more parts for you guys. So yeah, if anyone has a truck that they want to showcase, if they have a lift that they like or some parts that they like, or any experience basically with their truck, definitely reach out. You know, we'll do a spotlight on our channel of your truck. But for today, we just wanted to bring you guys along with us on like a vlog type video. You know, nothing. We just grabbed the camera, we brought you with us on kind of a daily adventure. So we hit 2 meetings. So let me know what you guys think on the vlog-ish type videos. Something different. We usually do more informative videos with actually something to them. But today we were just taking you with us for a simple video, just seeing what we're doing in our daily routine. But we have been working really hard on modern diesel apparel. It's going to be really, really cool. Guys, stay tuned for the launch info on that. It's going to be, we're going to probably announce that pretty soon here. A lot goes into getting that kind of prepared. We're trying to have it ready before Christmas. So stay tuned for the launch information. It'll be a whole thing. But we are going to time warp back to yesterday. All right, guys. A couple people have been asking. Hold on, let me open this. It's like super dark. Is that a light? Is that lighting a little better? Oh my God.
It's like bright right now.
All right. So a couple people have been asking me, what is a 0 to 60 time in this truck? So we're gonna try to do it. All right, guys, we are losing daylight, but we're gonna try to make this happen. We got traffic like crazy on the highway. All right, so 0. Alright, so we'll figure out the time clock. We'll figure out the time clock in the edit. But that was kind of uphill. That's not really a good test, but it'll give you guys a baseline to see, you know, exactly where the truck is at. The day is pretty much done here. It's dark, and I don't know if we even have enough light to finish this little clip here. But make sure to follow us on Instagram. It's at modern_diesels. It will be right here. And also the link will be in the description. We're all about the diesel lifestyle and community, whether it's Cummins, Powerstroke, Duramax, big rigs, pretty much anything diesel. Whoa, the road's so bumpy, you feel that? We're going through like serious construction right now. But follow us on Instagram and definitely hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was pretty cool. But stay tuned for more videos coming your way. I'm getting ready to head to the house. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace!